Good morning from Medan, North Sumatra's bustling city full of flavor and history. We start our day with a legendary breakfast at Soto Sinar Pagi. After breakfast, and continue to the Grand Maiman Palace with its unique Malay architecture. By midday, it's time for a sweet break at Tip Top, Medan's nostalgic ice cream and snack spot from the colonial era. Grab a scoop. In the afternoon, explore the bustling local market for souvenirs and street food. Try Medan's signature snack. Take a walk through the city's heritage streets, starting at Chung A Phi Mansion, a historic Peranakan house full of stories. As night falls, head to Merdeka Walk for street performers, local bites, and the lively evening atmosphere. Medan in one day, a mix of food, culture, and heritage that will make you want to stay longer. Love quick city guides like this? Hit follow and join our next adventure around the world.